Hi, my name is Ajay Sharma. I'm an 11th grader at the Craig Academy of Aerospace and Engineering in Connecticut, and my project is bioremediation using fungi. The problem that my project intends to solve is that it combats plastic pollution by using natural organisms. At first, I researched moths, algae, and worms, which led me to my research on fungus. The fungus that I'm using is Pestalozzi microspora, which was found by Yale researchers in the Amazon rainforest. The interesting thing about this fungus is that it's able to live without light or oxygen, which it can be applied to landfills or the ocean. Also, it bioremediates the plastic, which doesn't release CO2 like other techniques would, like burning. My hypothesis is that if I introduce the fungus in sterile conditions to the plastic, that it should be able to use the plastic as a food source and reduce its mass. I tested this by cutting 2 by 2 inch squares of plastic polyurethane, which is found in shopping bags, and placing them in molds that are based on a design by an Austrian company called Living Studios, where the fungus is allowed to grow in a spherical mold and grow upwards, and the mycelium will spread over the plastic, which would allow it to degrade it. I replicated their design by buying an ice mold, a spherical ice mold off Amazon, and placing a ping pong ball in while I was pouring the media to create a little divot so the fungus can grow. I used 2 different types of media. I used potato dextrose agar and seaweed agar. The potato dextrose agar, as you can see, was relatively effective at growing the fungus, and these are results after 1 week. And the seaweed agar, as you can see, some color changes, was effective, but not as effective as the potato agar. I measured the plastic's mass before and after the fungus was introduced, and the potato dextrose agar mold's plastic was 35.6 milligrams before the fungus was introduced, and 15.2 milligrams after the fungus was introduced. And the seaweed agar was 38.1 milligrams and 38.9 after the fungus was introduced. As you can see, there was a significant decrease in the plastic's mass after the fungus was introduced in the potato agar, but for the future, I would like to use statistical analysis for more definite conclusions, and I'm currently doing more trials to observe more variation in the data. I can't wait to present it to you guys at the National Invention Convention. Thank you.